Kill it.
Give me some coffee with my creamer.
Fire though, try it.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Should I
Like
mix
the
it
creamer.
or no?
Oh no, well the creamer's really good. You can mix it too if you want, but it's so good.
I'm sorry, my lipstick.
It's okay. I guess
got-
I'll mix it.
Caramel macchiato. What'd you get?
I got the cloud. Isn't this the Ariana Grande drink that it became permanent? And I fell in love with it. I used to never really get Starbucks. This is
Was
all I
it
get
really
now.
like what she gets?
I don't know. I think you were the one that told me. I just tried it.
I don't remember these things.
Yeah.
We're buffering.
What is this? Caramel macchiato?
Mm-hmm.
Buffering. Oh, that's good. Did you substitute it?
No.
Wait, no, I ordered it.
I usually get it iced, but it's good hot too. It's like a different vibe hot. You know, it's kind of cold today, but we're from SoCal, so it's not cold at all.
It's cold to us.
Mhm.
It's just that, you know, this year has felt extra long because of COVID-19. And it's been really hot. So
Freaking hot.
It's been a minute. I know. It's still a little hot. But
I mean, in the morning, I did have cold nips.
yeah, me too. To season 1.
To season 1.
Taking the stairs.
Too many stairs for these heels.
Oh, I know. They're cute though. Look at
They're
that.
pretty comfy. I just need a balance
Uh-huh.
so I don't tumble. Charlotte takes a tumble.
Dude, I have that video saved on my old computer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can find it.
Oh, I have it.
You guys know Charlotte takes a tumble? OG YouTube.
So is this your first time holding birds then? Yeah. Okay, so I'll let you pet first. So this is Ozzy, I'm gonna let you copy it too. He's from Indonesia. And you can live anywhere from 50 to 65 years. So they have a mentality of a 3-year-old. So if you kind of engage with them, they go by your vibe, how you guys are with them. And when holding them, you always want to keep your arm up like this, because if you bring it down, then they think that they're going to be falling. But I'll let you engage with Ozzy for a minute. Talk to him. Bring him up to you if you want. Go kisses Ozzy. He'll give you a kiss. Kiss Ozzy. Kisses. Go to the other cheek. Kisses Ozzy. Go closer. Closer. There you go. He just got done eating yogurt, so he has a little bit of yogurt.
I feel it.
That's yogurt.
Hi, Ozzy. Oh, you're so cute.
Bring him over to your friend if you want. Go up, Ozzy. Up. There you go. You can bring your arm down, Missy.
Yeah, how old is Ozzy?
Ozzy's 18 years old.
Oh,
And like I said, they kind of go off of your vibe.
I didn't realize it was his tongue.
Yes. You got a little bit of yogurt still there if you don't mind.
That's
There we
okay.
go.
I love the experience.
Like I said, it's more the experience, plus you get to learn a little bit about the birds, and then we get a cool photo we get to get. You guys ready for some birds?
Yeah.
Yes? Come on, Mr. Ozzy. hi to the girls? You say hi, Jackson. Say hi. You saying hi? You guys can pet him. Go one at a time there.
He's like blue. High five?
He's wanting to be held right now. You know? And Sydney's wanting her head scratched right now. So you guys got to multitask, okay? Ready, Oz? Okay, kiss. Goodbye, Oz. Kiss. There you go. There you go. Okay, thank you there, ladies.
So we had about an hour wait for Yard House. We killed some time and did the best thing ever.
Oh my gosh, I loved it so much.
Same. Aussie. I fell in love with you.
It was okay. The nachos are bomb. I give this one like a 5. How about that one?
I've had better fish tacos.
But you know, Yard House is really good. But
Poke nachos were fire. I have to dip it in ranch.
yeah, like fish with ranch. There's something wrong.
You know.
Yep. Really nice day.
It is. Look at that sky. It looks amazing on camera. Sorry. A lot.
Me too.